Hello friends, in this video we will learn about polynomials. What is a polynomial? A polynomial is nothing but an expression which consists of variables and coefficient. What is a variable? A variable is letter or an alphabet. For example, 3x. Here x is nothing but variable. 5a. A is nothing but variable. 7x square. X is nothing but a variable. 4y square. Y is nothing but a variable. What is a coefficient? Number with variable. 3x. 3 is nothing but coefficient of x. 3 is called as a coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of a? It is nothing but 5. Here, what is coefficient of x square? It is nothing but 7. What is the coefficient of 4y square? It is 4. Examples of polynomial. 3x square plus 5x minus 4. A polynomial is an expression consisting of variables and coefficient. Okay. Now let's move on to next topic, which is degree. What is basically a degree? Degree is nothing but highest power. For example, in this polynomial 4x square plus 3x minus 7, what is the power of x square? It is 2. And what is the power of x? It is 1. Degree is the highest power. So, in this polynomial, what is the highest power? It is nothing but 2. So, the degree is equal to 2. And in this polynomial, 3x cube minus 4x square plus x minus 10. Here, what is the power of x cube? It is 3. What is the power of x square? It is 2. And what is the power of x? It is 1. What is degree? Highest power. So the highest power is 3. So the degree of this polynomial is 3. Now let's move on to next topic, which is types of polynomials. First is constant polynomial. What is constant polynomial? A polynomial is said to be constant polynomial if it has degree equal to 0. For example, 2. It has degree equal to 0. 2 can be written as 2x power 0. Here, the degree of x is 0. Power of x is 0. So, the degree is equal to 0. So, 2x power 0 is nothing but a constant polynomial. 3 is also a constant polynomial. Now let's move on to the next type, which is linear polynomial. What is linear polynomial? A polynomial whose degree is equal to 1 is said to be linear polynomial. For example, x plus 2. X is having power 1 and degree is also equal to 1. So, it is nothing but a linear polynomial. Y plus 5. Y is having power 1 and degree is also equal to 1. So, y plus 5 is linear polynomial. 3u plus 4. U is having power 1 and degree is also equal to 1. So, 3u plus 4 is nothing but a linear polynomial. Next type is quadratic polynomial. What is quadratic polynomial? A polynomial whose degree is equal to 2. For example, 2x square plus 5. What is the power of x square? It is 2 and degree is equal to highest power, which is 2. So it is nothing but a quadratic polynomial. Another example, x square plus 2 by 7 x. In this polynomial, x square is having power 2 and x is having power 1 and degree is equal to highest power. So highest power is 2. So degree is equal to 2. So this polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. Another example, 5x square minus 2x plus 5. Here x square is having power 2 and x is having power 1. Okay, so what is degree? It is nothing but highest power. So the highest power is 2. So the degree will be equal to 2. So 5x square minus 2x plus 5 is nothing but a quadratic polynomial. Now the next type is cubic polynomial. What is cubic polynomial? A polynomial is said to be cubic polynomial if it has degree equal to 3. For example, 8x cube. X cube is having power 3 and degree is equal to 3. So 8x cube is nothing but a cubic polynomial. Another example, 2x cube plus x plus 1. X cube is having power 3 and x is having power 1. So what is the highest power? It is 3, which is equal to degree. So the degree is equal to 3. So 2x cube plus x plus 1 is cubic polynomial. Another example, 6 minus x cube. Here x cube is having power 3. So degree is also equal to 3. So 6 minus x cube is nothing but a cubic polynomial. Now the next type is biquadratic polynomial. A polynomial is said to be biquadratic polynomial if it has degree equal to 4. For example, 7 by 2 x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x minus 9. Here in this polynomial, x power 4 is having power of 4 and x square is having power equal to 2 and x is having power equal to 1. But what is the degree? It is highest power. Among this, which is the highest power? 4. So the degree is equal to 4. So 7 by 2 x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x minus 9 is nothing but a biquadratic polynomial. Another example, 5x power 4 plus 7x square minus 3x plus 10. Here x power 4 is having power 4 and x square is having power 2 and x is having power 1. So what is degree? It is nothing but highest power. So x power 4 is having the highest power. So 4 is nothing but the highest power. So the degree is equal to 4. So 5x power 4 plus 7x square minus 3x plus 10 is nothing but a biquadratic polynomial. Now let's move on to next topic, zero of a polynomial. A real number k is said to be zero of a polynomial p of x if p of k is equal to 0. What is p of x? Any polynomial is represented as p of x. Now let's consider an example. P of x is equals to x minus 1 and x is equals to 1. Now by substituting x equal to 1 in the given polynomial, in place of x substitute 1. 1 minus 1, which is nothing but 0. So x equal to 1 is a 0 of a polynomial x minus 1. Now let's take another example. P of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4 and x is equals to minus 1 comma 4. We need to check whether x equal to minus 1 comma 4 are zeros of a polynomial x square minus 3x minus 4. Now let's check it. Substitute x equal to minus 1 in this polynomial p of minus 1, which is equals to minus 1 whole square minus 3 into minus 1 minus 4. Minus 1 whole square is 1. Minus into minus plus. 3 into 1 is 3 and minus 4. 1 plus 3 is nothing but 4. 4 minus 4, which is nothing but 0. So minus 1 is 0 of a polynomial x square minus 3x minus 4. Now let's check whether 4 is 0 of a polynomial or not. Now substitute p of 4. Substitute 4 in place of x. So we get 4 square minus 3 into 4 minus 4. So 4 square is nothing but 16. 16 minus 3 into 4 minus 4. 16 minus 3 into 4 is nothing but 12. 12 minus 4. Okay. So 16 minus 12 plus 4, which is nothing but 16, which is equals to 0. So hence minus 1 comma 4 are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 3x minus 4. That's all for today. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe.